All right, so we have a potential swing by setting it up here on gold. We're going to be going long above this bar. So I'm going to go ahead and put my
Order submitted.
stop order above that, placing it one tick above the top of that bar. And what we're going to do is we're going to go for a swing up to this 2800. So if we get filled on this next bar, I'm going to put my stop one tick below this bar, and I'm going to swing up to 2800, and we'll put the profit a few ticks below the 2800 so it's not right exactly at that resistance level. So am I taking this trade? Well, we are starting to leave the open of the day, and the open of the day has shown that the bulls are in control. So look at our first bar, it was this big bear bar, and instead of it getting follow through, we got a bull bar. So we got bad follow through. Then we made another attempt down that got another bad follow through, and so now this is acting as a double bottom here. So double bottom. Now we've had some bullishness since then, and we're coming up to this resistance level here, which is the open of the day. We kind of keep poking through it a little bit, and we're starting to gain more and more strength, and we're staying above this moving average, and it looks like the bulls are starting to accumulate some strength here, and once it goes above this bull bar now, this bull signal bar, to me the bears would be getting given up above that bar. So if they sold here, maybe they've held through here, hoping that we'll be able to get a test back down. But if they're still short, I'd be getting out above this bull bar, because they can see, we have this 2800 target above, and then the bulls are also getting stronger through here. So if I was a bear, I'd be getting out, and then the bulls, they see the opportunity that the market has this open area where you're trying to get higher lows and higher highs. So if I was a bull, I'd also be buying above that bar. Now this bar is so far a bear bar, and if it ends like this, we're not going to buy. We only want to buy above a bull bar now. So if it closes with any sort of bear body, so unless it reverses all the way back up, we're going to take our order off if it closes something like this. Okay, so that trade is not going to happen because of this bear bar. So just because we got a bull signal bar here does not mean we want to keep this order here
Order canceled.
after this bear bar forms. So this changes it. So now we're going to remove our order. Now if we get another setup, then we will place an order above again. All right, so this never triggered. All right, we were wanting to buy above here, but we got a bear bar and it never went above. So we didn't get an entry there. Then we got this bull bar. Now it had this tail on top, and that decreases the chance that would be a buy. I think you could still argue for it to be a swing buy. So even though there's that tail on top, the context is still the same, where there's a potential for a breakout here, a potential for it to get be magneted up to 2800. However, this also did not get triggered. The market did not go above that buy. So I think that's the good lesson there, is that if you see this setup coming, you have to follow it all the way through and only take the order if it's going above your bar. So it didn't here. Now notice, like I was saying, once this bar formed, we canceled our order. What would have happened if we would have left that on? We would have bought above this here. Then we would have been triggered here, and we would have been either stopped out, or we would have been down in this bear move now. So when you get a bull bar, make sure that the next bar is either an entry bar or at least at a minimum, we needed another bull bar here. So once you have your signal bar and you get this bad follow through, then cancel your order and wait for another strong bar to form before trying to buy above it. So we tried to buy here, couldn't because of this bear bar, so we canceled our order. This would have been an okay buy as well, but it didn't trigger. So make sure you're waiting for your trigger, and if you're not getting that, then get out of your trade.